7 minutes and 10. Bangko Soto Alipian drive. 2 points. Oh. Siso nakawala. Siso answers. Asking for a pick. And Santillana offers a pick. Intercepted by Bangko Soto Laban-Laban. Alipian. Elias is in the lane. Hey, to Ara. Panasa Arpinoy. Basket is good. Santillana recovers. Intercepted by Alipian. Alipian. The shoot. Abapo against Alipian. Abapo na naman. Baplor. Sorry. 1 minute and 40. Abapo the Baplor. Baplor! Sumabay pa kayo. 15 the shoot. 15 seconds. 3 points de Yates. 10 segundos. Natong score 48-47. Pabor gihapon. Barangay La Roche San Miguel versus Barangay Doña Josefa. Canastra now. Oh! Loses his handle. Banquillo! 2 points. Crosses over. Nakawala. Banquillo. Luce Pumasalta. Juliases 15 to shot. Banquillo. The way they do it. Yes, goal! Lawang Bora. The muscle man, Baplor! Good luck of the game! 52 all! Alipian! Hey! Missed him in the question! 10 seconds to shoot! Alipian, Tobeliasan for 3! Wala! Agawan sa rebound! Masata recovers to Kevin Laban-Laban. Nakuha ni Siso. Low paso. Canastra block. And Napapo recovers. Labaw na ang Barangay La Roche San Miguel. Wala'y nahilo. Time out. Bunyosep. Bawag pa sa nato, Baplor. Last and final quarter. Santillana ni Laban-Laban. Let's go! Santillana recovers. Jump ball ang tinawag na ref. The symbol. Baplor now. Against Alipian, Baplor. Wala gihapon. Barangay Doña Josefa now. Aya. Banquillo. To Alipian. Alipian Banquillo. Banquillo lare the floor. General Barangay Doña Josefa. Luce to Laban-Laban. Kevin. Misses. Agawan. Nakuha ni Abapo. Lopas to Canastra. On. And he scores. 10 minutos and 55 segundos na delay. Banquillo crosses over. Down to 5. Wala. Laban-Laban recover. This is the glass. One goal. Abante na pod. Canastra 61-57 in favor of Barangay Doña Josefa. 15 to shoot. Baplor down to 10. Baplor scores. It's 1 minute and 43 seconds left. First round. One goal. Wala. Abato Christian to Siso. Siso has at 1 minute and 40. Siso against Van Cristo. Siso in trouble, fighting for the ladder. Goes to Babilor, 15 to shoot. Down to 10. Babilor! Good luck of the game. 61 all. Walang bibitaw. 1 minute and 10. 15 to shoot. Benches, both benches, relax. Wala. Recovers by Masalta. Goes to Olympian. 58 seconds left. 52 segundos. 50 segundos. Benches, Lincoln Peleog. 45 segundos. Maplor. Lise de Santillan. Bas. Wala. Foul naman. Number 99. Canastra. 38 segundos na Belen. Walay nagkontrol sa bola. Walay free throw na hitabo. 38 segundos na Belen. 38 segundos. Laban-laban pa ganaw. 35 segundos. 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. Down to 10. Barangay Larecho San Miguel. Na 21 segundos na Belen. 21 seconds left. Barangay Doña Josefa is up by 2 doubles now. 20 segundos. 15 segundos. May 13 segundos na Belen. 14 seconds left. Siso foul. Segundos. Segundos na Belen. Nice game, Miguel. Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong gipakita ang pagbalik-hamot ng Baong Bill. Para sa lungsod sa simbangan. Congratulations, Barangay Doña Josefa. Ada bakbakan.
Champion.
Ang barangay ni Ate Ay. Barangay Doña Josefa. 30,000 pesos ang champion. First time Barangay Doña Josefa, Young Guns of Barangay Doña Josefa. Once again, congratulations Barangay Doña Josefa and the coach of Barangay Doña Josefa, Mr. Jomar Santa Ana.